I'm going to play a short piece once, and after me playing, we're going to discuss two things. Tempo, so whether the piece was slow or fast, or whether the tempo has changed. Maybe the tempo got slower at the end, at the beginning. We'll listen carefully to this. And we're going to discuss dynamics. So, whether I played quiet or loud. Was the beginning soft? Was the ending soft? Was the beginning loud? Was the ending loud? So listen carefully to these two components, tempo and dynamics. As you could hear at the beginning, I was playing soft piano. And then the second part was gradually getting louder. So if you're asked a question, did it start off loudly or softly? You would answer it started off softly, because the beginning was soft, quiet. And on the question, did it end loudly or softly? The answer would be it ended loudly, because at the end I was playing louder than at the beginning. Another thing about the tempo. Did the tempo change during my playing? Let's listen one more time. As you can hear very well, at the end the tempo got much slower. So if you're asked a question, where did the piece get slower? Your answer would be at the end, it got slower towards the end. I'm going to play a next short piece, and again, two things to listen is tempo. So was there any changes in tempo? Was it a slow piece, fast, or maybe in between? And dynamics. So which part was quiet, which part was loud? Regarding the tempo, did the tempo change? No, the tempo stayed the same. So if you're being asked, did the tempo change at all? No, the tempo was steady, the tempo was the same all the way through. If you're asked whether the piece was fast, slow, or in between, the answer would be in between. If I was playing fast, it would be really fast. If I wanted to play slowly, it would be very slow. So that's why we can assume that the tempo was in between. Wasn't too fast, wasn't too slow. Now the next question, the dynamics. At the beginning, it was soft, quiet piano. And the second part. And the second half was loud. It's time for the next example, next short little piece. This time, I won't be explaining what's going on in the piece. It's your task to see whether we're slowing down, we're speeding up, is it soft, is it loud. I'm going to play it once, listen carefully, and try to state by yourself what's going on in regards of tempo and dynamics. Where did a change of speed happen? At the beginning, middle, or at the end of the piece? And second question regarding dynamics, how did the piece begin? Loud or soft? And how did it end? You can listen to it one more time, remember the questions I asked, and try to answer them.
primary grade.
The final piece that I'm going to play, again, I would like you to listen for the tempo, any changes in tempo and dynamics. Which part is quiet, which part is loud, and this time as well, I won't help you with that. I would like you to answer the questions I'm going to ask after me playing. Two questions for you. First, about the tempo. Was there any change of speed, and if so, where? And second question, did I play the piece loudly or quietly towards the end? So, was the second part of the piece louder or quieter than the beginning?